For years, unhoused residents of Grants Pass, a city in southern Oregon, received citations for camping in public, $300 fines, and even trespassing charges, punishable by up to 30 days in jail.
They're out here struggling, and there's no place for us, like, literally. It's like we're made to move every 5 days, and if we don't, we get ticketed, kicked out of the park, and arrested, and it's ridiculous.
In a plaintiff lawsuit, a group of homeless people alleged that the city deprives them of a place to sleep and violates the 8th Amendment's prohibition on cruel and unusual punishment. The city claims encampments have reached the point of threatening public security.
Urinating, defecating in public, also a human need. But we've never really seriously suggested that unless and until the government provides you a reasonably convenient place to go to the bathroom, that you then have the right to go to the bathroom on public property.
The controversial court case had led to weeks of protests outside the U.S. Supreme Court, which ultimately sided with the city in a landmark decision that could have sweeping implications across the country. The ruling reveals a shift in the position of the Supreme Court, which had previously refused to even hear a case years ago, and thereby upholding a decision by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which until now prevented the criminal punishment of anyone for sleeping outside in the absence of an alternative like affordable housing or shelters. But now, with its conservative majority, the U.S. Supreme Court has set a new precedent that could increase the authority local governments have in dealing with their unhoused residents.
Their lives are very difficult, and it will make them more difficult, but will also give people new criminal records. It's going to make it harder for them to find work and to find housing and escape homelessness. If we go down this line, this road of criminalizing people and banishing them, we're going to wake up 2 or 3 years down the road and we're going to have twice as many homeless people as we have now.
In Los Angeles, already dubbed as the nation's homeless capital with its mild climate, officials are worried about the possibility of an increase of homeless people to the area from other states, while activists anywhere are worried about what appears to be a paradigm shift at the U.S. Supreme Court. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Los Angeles.